Welcome back, YouTube. It's another day to be different. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna show you guys how to be different, man. First things first, we're gonna brush, comb, lay everything down. My man's got some waves right here, so we for sure want to pay some good attention to his growth pattern. Lay everything down nice and smooth, easy, and then we're gonna start debulking. Again, he has waves, so we're gonna go with wavelength. Here I'm going with the one guard all the way open with the grain, knocking everything down. As you can see, it's really not taking off much, but it is cleaning it up. Easy day. Make sure you take the clipper all the way through the front end of the edge up. It's gonna help lay it down, get it ready for the edge up process whenever it's time to line up. Again, we are going with the grain, laying everything down. Keeping it as thick as possible. Avoiding the cowlick area. Then we're gonna hit them with some hose spray. We're gonna hit the edge up with some hose spray, some hairspray. Get it to freeze, brush that in, give it a nice even coat. That way, whenever we come back for the edge up, it should be nice and firm and ready to melt. Follow up with the blow dryer just to get it to freeze. Then we're gonna move straight into the fade process. First step, bald line. Clean up everything. Keep the brush to clean off your canvas. As you can see right there, as I'm hitting, I'm brushing. Next step, no guard all the way open. We're gonna go up about an inch. After that, we're gonna hit the one guard, second notch. Easy there, we're gonna go up about another inch. After we do that, we are going straight into the detail process from there. Keeping that one guard on, we're gonna open it all the way open, and then we're gonna start hitting the feather technique. This is going to allow me to start detailing. Using nothing but your corners, attacking nothing but the dark spots, as you can see. Tilting that blade, using nothing but your right corner. Allow me to start lightening up those dark spots. Then we're gonna pop on that half guard, again all the way open. Only notching out the dark spots. Using that feather technique, as you can see, allows me to blend very, very smoothly and easily. After that half guard, we're gonna drop down to the no guard. Start off closed as we work our way up midway, and then all the way open. The higher you go up, the more you want to open your lever. Still continuing to hit nothing but the dark spots, using nothing but your corners. Hit, brush, hit, brush, hit, brush. Very, very important. The fade is already coming together. This right here is the longest part of my detailing process. Mainly because, as you can see, we can go from the no guard all the way closed, all the way up to the one guard all the way open. So we can cover a lot of ground with this no guard. Over exaggerating the tilt, using nothing but your corners, attacking nothing but the dark spots. Easy day. And he's got a really, really good texture, so once you hit it, it melts, it falls off. Very important to have some clippers that's got some really good feedback. They gotta crunch. It's lunchtime. It's gotta crunch. That's it. We're gonna attack behind the ear right there with the claw method. Half guard, second notch, claw method, just to get it to lay down a little bit better behind the ears. As you can see how much of a difference this little lineup part behind the ear will make on that fade. I do this just so I can see the fade a little bit better. As a barber, everybody knows once you put that line up on it, it's gonna show where you missed, what you messed up on, and what you have to continue to attack. And here, as you can see right there, threw that line on, and we were good to go. Here goes the back, same steps. We're gonna hit you with the side, the other side, same steps. And yes sir, we're gonna speed this side up. You guys can have it. I'll be back for the edge up. All right, well, we're back for the edge up. We're gonna start right in the middle. We're gonna tap it over to the left side. We're gonna walk it. Doesn't matter which side you walk over first. Me, I'm usually standing on the left side based off of the way my station is set up. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna walk it to the left side first. Hit that vertical bar, tap it in. Make sure it's nice and clean. Then we're gonna hit it with the pencil for some contour. Start back in the middle. Once the left side is done, then we are gonna match it up evenly and start walking into the right side. Remember, we used that holder, we used that hairspray earlier in the process. So as you can see, the hair just, the front end just absolutely melts off. We're gonna hit that vertical bar. Throw some pencil on him for some contour. And we're just gonna make sure that everything's nice and even. We're not gonna use any enhancements on this haircut, which I think would have made this, taken this to the next level. But the client didn't want any enhancements, so we're not gonna give him any. And we're gonna follow up the pencil with the razor. Stretching the skin, keeping the blade at 45-degree angle. Scraping the pencil to exactly where we want it to be. And as you can see, we're gonna do the front edge up as well. The top part, stretching the skin, keeping the blade at a 45-degree. This angle is crazy. It gives a better look at what I'm looking at when I am hovering over the scalp. Just bringing the razor blade to where the edge up meets. .45-degree. Then we're gonna go to the other side, the other vertical bar. I'm gonna push that pencil over, make it nice and thin. Tapping it with the razor blade. And we're gonna clean it up, follow up with some shears. Get all the extra hair, the excessive hair that's hanging over. Clean it up with a little bit of freehand. Make it look a little bit neater. Then we're gonna spray them down with some of that hot sauce. Man, gave my man's the mirror. Watch his reaction. Only two things that can make a man smile like this. One of those things is some good coochie, and the other is a good haircut. Unfortunately, I only provide one of those things, but as you guys can see, that boy came to be different, man. Yes, sir. You guys remember what he came in looking like. But he came to be different. Appreciate you guys for staying tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Whatever you gotta do to keep me on your timeline, man. We out of here. Peace.